and I think it looks pretty funky.
It looks awesome.
Yeah.
Alex has just had a great idea of how to cover our fenders. You want to talk about it, Mum?
Sure. We've got these leggings that we don't use anymore, so we're gonna try to give it a go and see if we could actually give these old fenders a new lift, because otherwise this is what they look like, and also the wrap against the boat and the dog. Yeah. And look at this, we actually had one in the water for a while, and look what actually happens to them. Little creatures start growing in them. So I'm gonna have to clean this a little bit. And this is the other one. We're just gonna try to see if we can clean this first. Just got a bit of water and soap and give it a, oh yeah, it's coming off. So you just have to go around there. I don't know if I can get this off. Oh yeah, it's really hard. Just hard shelves in it. I'm gonna need maybe a knife, or maybe not. Hang on. Let's see. I got it. It's amazing how they sit in here. A stick. It's the same thing what happens to the whole of the boat. Oh man, that smells.
It's a bit stinky.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're nearly there on that one. Okay, just gonna dry now and see if the legging fits. I'm gonna leave it in the sun for a while so it's completely dry. I'm just gonna pump the fender also a little bit. Sorry, Rex. Okay, let's see if this works. Yay, it worked. So that's a nice good looking fender. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it through there and see if it works, and then I'm just gonna try to put this little piece of rope through the middle to attach it. So we're just gonna give it a go.
Good.
Okay. See what happens. Okay, now we need to figure out the next bit. So this is so far what it looks like. We just got one leg off, and I'm just gonna try to thread this through it.
Hopefully I can get it through there. Okay. And
Just gonna throw it through it. Just put a knot in there. There we go.
Simple with no sewing machine.
Yep, no sewing machine. I mean, if you've got a sewing machine, you could just give it a go and try to sew this all together. And I think it looks pretty funky.
That looks awesome.
Yeah.
This is where we keep our sewing machine.
Sewing and all the other bits and pieces that we need. Oh, hang on. I think the sewing machine is on the other side. No.
Oh, wrong side.
Okay, so this is another storage compartment that is a bit tricky to leave.
Would you like a hand there, love?
Yes, please.
There you go. There you do it. And there's a special method of getting this back in.
Yeah.
Lie down. See? Easy.
We're going to give it a go and see if I can sew this up and see what it looks like. Okay, so there you go.
So this one we've stitched up.
Yep. So it can be done. And now, well, let's do the same process as the other one. So I'm just trying to overlap it in here a little bit. So just to make it a little bit prettier. But I think this is as good as it gets. And I'm quite happy with that. So this is it. So this is how you could actually cover your own fenders using your old leggings and in a very cheap way, and you recycle it as well. So we might give the other one a go. And then you can do as many as you like. So this is just another one. This is how you can
Hold on. You tell him, Rex.
come on.